All right, let's work with exponent laws and deal with the multiplying and dividing monomials. So there are two examples I put up there so that I need you guys to copy it down, pause the video and copy it down. We're going to start with example A. All right, so first thing first, we need to make sure that the exponent laws apply. So bracket goes first, so we have to deal with this first because it's got a power of 2. So let's go through that and work with that. So I'm writing 5x cubed y squared. That's not going to change anything, but the second bracket, this 2, we have to use power of power rules, right? And go through that. So that would be 2 squared x squared y to the power of 4. Great. Now we're going to go through and we're going to use the multiplications of the monomials and use the exponent law. So first number and number, 5, and this is 4, so that would be 20. We're multiplying. 2 squared is 4, 4 times 5 is 20. And then we're going to deal with the x's. So x's and y's. So x first, same basis. We will add the exponents. And then last thing, the y's, and y squared, y to the 4, add the exponents, that would be 6. So final answer, 20 x to the 5, y to the 6. Okay, example B, let's go through that. I'm going to polish the top first. So multiply 6 and 8, multiplying, that's 48. And then m squared times m to the 4th, that's m to the 6th. N squared times n to the 3, that's n to the 5. Remember, you're adding the exponents when the bases are the same. The denominator, you got a power of power, so we got to deal with that. Minus 4 squared, minus 4 squared, be aware of that. Then m squared, so this 2 belongs to all of these guys. All right, and then n to the power of 4. Great. Now you have to polish it more. So on top we have 48 m to the 6th n to the 5 all over. The bottom will be 16 m squared n to the 4th. Last step, we need to simplify 16 and 48. 16 goes into 16 once, 16 goes into 48 3 times. If you're not good at it right away, just break it down. Start with the prime numbers first. 2 goes into both of them, and then just break it down like that more. So, and then the next thing is the variables. So m to the 6th, m squared, subtracting. So we have a 3 on top. M to the 4th, 6 minus 2 will be 4. Base will be m. And then we have n to the 5 divided by n to the 4th. Subtract the exponents. That would be n to the power of 1. Final, to polish it even better, will end up being that. All right, copy this question down. Very complicated question. Let's do this together. All right, so we're going to go through one step at a time. First, deal with the top, the numerator. We're going to include the 2, okay, the exponent, and a 3. So let's go through that. So that would be 3 squared, that would be 9. A to the power of 12, b to the power of 4. That would be the first bracket. And then the second bracket will be, so times, minus 8, because minus 2 to the power of 3 is minus 8. Remember, that belongs to each one of these ones, right? And then a to the power of 6. You're multiplying the exponents with the power of power rule. And b to the power of 12. That's the top. The bottom, 36, because 6 squared, a squared, b squared. And then the second piece, we just multiplied by minus 2, and then a to the 4th multiplied by b. All right, very good. Now we have to polish, and we can simplify as we go through this, and let's make it easier. Let's deal with the numbers first. 9, if you can simplify anything right away, let's do that. 9 goes into 9 once, 9 goes into 36 4 times. Great. Minus 2 goes into minus 2 once, minus 2 goes into minus 8 4 times. So, and then 4 divided by 4, that also cancels out, and great. So all numbers are gone. There's nothing there. Now let's deal with the variables. Let's do the top first. Let's just simplify the top. A to the 12 times A to the 6, that is A to the 18. And then B to the 16. Multiplication, same basis, add the exponent. That's what that is. Denominator, A squared, A to the 4th, that would be A to the 6. B squared times B, that would be B to the 3. Excellent. Last step, we're doing division. Let's go to the subtraction of the exponents. Same basis, A to the 18 divided by A to the 6 is A to the 12. You're subtracting exponents, 18 minus 6. Next one, B to the 16 minus 3 is 13. That would be the final answer. All right? Okay, excellent. Oh, I don't know what happened to the number up here, the top value, but you have it copied down. It just disappeared on me for one moment. All right, do as many examples as you can. The more you do them, the faster you get, the more confident you get. You're doing great. Keep at it. Yes, it is a little bit difficult at first, but you will get better, I promise. That's a guaranteed. All right, have a good day. Bye.